welcome to Super Connor's Magic Show!
Super Connor's Magic Show, woohoo!
Make anything appear. Rabbit. Strawberry. Mr. Train. Let's get started. He can't hug because he's in a portal. Back in the show. First act is with the rat. Let's teleport her in my magic box. Rabbit to my magic box! Let's check she's in there. It's empty. Can she be? Let's figure this out. My home. Let's see if she's there. There she is! I missed you. Let's stop the show. Let's tongue of my rabbit. What's if your tongue is in strawberry? Strawberry. It's the duck from another dimension. What are you doing here? What'd she say? I don't understand you. You're lost? He doesn't remember who he is. He'll come and live with me. Give my hand. I got you. I'll take a nap. Blanket cover us up. What? What is it? What is it? I understand you. What did he say? You're not tired. We're gonna win. Good boy.